Our college placement will start in exactly 8 months, and till now, my technical knowledge is literally zero. Mostly creator will tell you it's easy, but I am telling you we are not just late, we are practically out of time. The companies will come to campus, but we don't have anything to show them. If my words make you uncomfortable, then trust me, this is not just my story, it's yours. And this is for every third year student who have realized they have wasted 3 whole years while the clock continuously counting down. So the real question is, how did we get here? We spent almost 3 years planning to learn. We watched roadmaps, we saved coding playlists, and wasted time on watching reels late night, but we never typed a single line of logic. And those who started from first or second year, the gap between us and them feels like an ocean. So, the main thing is I am starting from zero in a world that demands 100. But being this far doesn't mean we can't do anything. It just means we have to run 10 times faster. I am not a teacher. I don't have a 90-day roadmap or any kind of courses to sell you. I am starting from the same syntax error as you. Tales with Tech isn't a classroom, it's the struggling story of us fighting to catch up. I am here to tell you to wake up. The time for endless planning is ended the moment you click this video. Now on, it's only execution. 8 months will be a long time if you execute it properly, but it will pass easily as your 3 years in college if you wait for the perfect time. I am documenting the bugs, the errors, the 3 a.m. breakouts, and even small wins. Not as your mentor, but as a guy in the seat next to you who refused to give up. If you are starting from zero today, and if you are finally hearing the clock ticking, comment day one below. And look at the comments. We are not alone in this journey. We are the ones.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.